Okay, Valentine's Day is coming, and can we be honest? Sometimes it's better to just stay in than fighting for reservations. But you still want to make it feel special, right? So today I'm making two different types of shower steamers and these massage bars that will not destroy your sheets. So let's go create some romance. But before we go down to the kitchen and make the shower steamers and the massage bars, let me just share a couple health benefits to having regular intimacy. So fun fact, you actually can live longer and your body thrives when you have regular intimacy. You will actually get sick less often because it boosts your immune system, and you will actually sleep better because it releases oxytocin and endorphins, which actually helps you get into a deeper sleep, which promotes health. So your heart stays healthier because intimacy actually counts as moderate physical activity. So it raises heart rate and supports cardiovascular health. So now let's head to the kitchen and make the shower steamers and massage bars. Okay, so we have two steamers for you to make, shower steamers. We have a morning quickie steamer, or we have an evening romance steamer. I actually already made the morning quickie steamer in a heart mold. The morning quickie steamer has a few oils in it. It has peppermint, wild orange, rosemary, and ginger. Peppermint and orange together are going to really increase that dopamine, which is your pleasure chemical. And then rosemary is going to help you be very present, like not have to worry about the things that are stressing you out. And ginger is going to increase blood flow everywhere. But let's focus on our evening romance blend. 2 cups of baking soda, a cup of citric acid, then cornstarch. You would take 30 drops of lavender. Sandalwood is really good to create an emotional connection. And then we have ylang ylang. It is really good to increase attraction. Then the last oil is jasmine or rose. All you do is mix those oils in that base recipe, is just spray a little water on there until it becomes crumbly. And then we'll put it in a mold. And you're gonna just let it sit for about 24 hours. Okay, so now that we let these sit for 24 hours and they set up, you can take them and drop them in your shower, whether it's morning for the morning quickie blend or evening for the evening romance. Now let's just head over to the stove here and make some his and hers massage bars. Our cocoa butter is the first ingredient. I actually weighed this out ahead of time. So you need about 4 ounces or a half a cup. And then you're gonna need a 1/4 cup of beeswax and a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Melt those all together. Will only take 5 to 10 minutes. And then once that's done, we'll go ahead and add those essential oils. We are gonna drop 2 blends in the show notes below, his and hers massage blend for the bar. But we're just making the his recipe in this video. You will still use the same base, and we will make sure that we list out all of the her recipe in the show notes. So the her recipe that we aren't going to make on camera has lavender oil in it and vanilla oil in it. And so those are 2 of the standouts. It also has sandalwood and wild orange. Vanilla creates a very sensual comfort, and lavender relaxes the body so that intimacy becomes a little easier. So we have all of the ingredients melted together now. So now we're just going to go ahead and add those couple oils for the his blend. We have cedarwood first. We're gonna do 20 drops of that. Cedarwood's very grounding, relaxing. It also smells very manly. And we're gonna go ahead and put 15 drops of sandalwood in there. And then we have frankincense, grounding, de-stressing. And then we have black pepper, and we're gonna do 5 drops of that. A silicone mold works best. Mix all of those essential oils in the cocoa butter, coconut oil, and beeswax. Pour it in here, and then let it sit for about 24 hours. It comes out nice and solid, and then it will melt with body heat, and it will not make a mess on your sheets. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour that melted mix in all of the molds. And then what I like to do is put this pan right in some hot soapy water. Okay, so this isn't about perfect romance. It's about creating space for connection. So get with your partner. You can actually make these recipes together, or you can make them apart and surprise them. So you don't just have to use these on Valentine's Day. They could be used this weekend, since Valentine's Day isn't for a few weeks. Or you can save them for Valentine's Day, but this is something that can be used as often as you like. Connection shouldn't just be once a year. Remember all of the benefits to intimacy. So if you liked this content, please give us a like and a subscribe, and we are wishing you a very happy Valentine's Day.